Alright guys, well today in this video we're trying something a little different. We're kayak fishing a small reservoir. Now I tried to do this intro while in the kayak, however the wind is blowing so hard right now it's impossible for you to hear my audio. So I had to sneak up here and take care of it up in these trees. So the plan for today, if the wind calms down, hopefully we head back out in the kayaks and we see if we can catch some fish. But in the meantime, check out this view from where I'm standing. Alright, finally one on the stringer. Back out here in the kayaks. The wind's somewhat calmed down, so hopefully we can fish from the kayaks now. Alright, I'm finally on the board. Nice little tiger trout. It's actually my first one. Awesome fighters. Woohoo! Alright, fish number 2. I'm actually going to keep a couple because we're going to have we're going to cook them up tonight. So I'm going to keep a few. Alright, another fish on the board. We're going to try to get him back in the water. Okay, swim this time. There you go. Alright guys, I want to show you how gorgeous this evening is. I am so glad that we waited for the wind to calm down. Because holy crap. Gonna get our fire going for our fish cookout. We got some pyro putty on that stick right there.
Yeah, there we go.
Stuff actually glows in the dark. Yep, it's working well. Awesome. Alright guys, we're working on cooking up this fish. We're going to do a bacon wrapped trout in tin foil and we're going to put it on the hot coals of the fire. So we got one fillet there and one fish. Let's get this light out of the way. There we go, I got some more light.
Okay.
I love that tiger. Look at him. So cool. Alright, pack him with butter. There we go.
And butter all the way around.
Butter and all 3 of them, yep. Alright, we got them covered in bacon, butter, and spice. Awesome. And we're going to get them wrapped up and put on the coals.
It's delicious.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see if it's done.
Oh.
Hot.
Oh, that's hot. Did you flip it over like I did in there?
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. There's the top of it. Let's check that out. Ooh. Look at that. That's looking good. Oh yeah, is it flaking off?
Oh, come on now.
Good?
That is delicious.
Awesome. Alright, let's eat. Well guys, while Ford continues to eat the fish, what a great way to end an awesome day fishing. Hey my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Once again, thank you so much for your support. If you did enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next outdoor activity. Bye-bye.